Okay, you're happy today. So now we will start the lesson. Oh. Okay, here. Cow. Ah. Okay, ciao. Okay, here. Okay, now, ciao. We are going to study about this one. What have you seen in the hospital? This is a hospital. Okay. Okay. This is what teacher Ann told you about toothache. Let me see that. Earache, temperature, and health. Okay. You know toothache?
Yes.
Okay. Earache. Earache. This one is ears. The ears.
I copy.
Okay. Okay, wait for a while.
Okay, next.
Wait for a while. Earache.
Next, teacher.
Okay, I will write here the meaning. Copying. Pain. Earache, pain inside the air. Okay. Okay, wait for a while. Pain in the tooth or teeth. Okay, this is tooth. This is toothache. Next is temperature. Okay, wait for a while. You write this one.
What's the temperature?
Here. Degree or intensity of a heat in a substance. Copy that one.
I know
Right?
answer. I know answer.
You write.
I know answer.
You know already? For a while, Shao.
I don't answer. I don't answer.
No, no answer. Don't answer. Don't answer. Don't answer. Just copy. Copy the meaning. Write. Okay, wait. Here. Write this one. Write the meaning. Write.
Teacher,
Hurt, you know.
I don't answer.
Yeah. Wait. Hurt. You know what is hurt?
Yes. I don't answer. Temperature.
Okay, wait. Okay. Temperature. You understand temperature?
No.
This one. It's just like this. And it will put in your ear when you have fever. Look at this. Look at the picture. Or you can put a...
Here is a
Yes.
temperature.
Yeah. Looks like a temperature. And... Okay. Okay. So earache, look at toothache. Toothache. Pain in the teeth or tooth. Earache, pain inside the ear. Temperature, just like this. This is look like this. Look like. You'll put it here. Oh, you have a fever. You're hot. Like that. Hurt. You understand hurt?
Yes.
Okay, you're hurt. Okay, this one I will erase. Okay, you know cough.
Hussy?
Cough. Okay, I will write, wait, I will write the meaning. Cough. Okay. Sneeze. Sneezing. You're sneezing. Look at the picture. Okay, just put here sneeze. Sneezing. It's assigned to what they're talking about. Wait for a while. Copy.
Let's see.
Have you tried to sneeze, Chow? Like that? Involuntary expulsion of air.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah. Look at Chow. Involuntary expulsion of the air. Look at this one. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Like that. Sneeze. Look at teacher. Look at teacher. Like that. You understand? Stomach ache.
Yes, look in the picture here.
Yeah, like that. Stomach ache here. Pain inside the stomach. Stomach ache, pain inside the stomach. Back ache, pain in your back. Pain in your back, back ache. Okay, you understand? Copy. Right, Chow. You understand stomach ache?
Yes.
Pain in the stomach. Like that. Back ache, pain at the back.
Okay.
Understand? You understand, Chow?
Yes, I understand.
Very good. Okay, here. Look at this one. Okay. Write E. Look at this one. E, I, O, or U on the lines to complete the words and sentences. Example. Example number 1. Okay. The letters E, I, O, and U are missing in the sentence. Where do I need to write? Where do the ES goes and the OS? How many A's do we need to write? Okay, here, look at this one. Okay, look at that one. Okay, look at. I've got a stomach ache because at hundreds of chips at school today. You only put, yeah, you understand? Okay. Now, this is the example. You answer number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah, look at number 2. Very good.
What's the walk?
Walk. Okay, what's the spelling? You pick A-I-O-U.
A-I-O-U.
Okay, very good. Very good. Ciao, ciao.
I finished.
Number 3. Let's do number 2. Let's see the answer. Okay. We walked a lot yesterday. Very good. And now, both. Oh, my foot hurt. Oh, this is O and this is E. Okay, that's only 2 mistakes. Go, ciao. Continue.
Teacher, was
Okay.
that here? Was that here?
Okay, it's okay. I'll be the one to answer. Okay, I will tell you the answer now. Okay, wait for a while. I will erase first. Okay, here. Number 3. When my cousin, or C-U-S, and I went skating. Very good. Went skating. Last week, I hurt my hand. Okay. And he hurt his foot, leg, and arm. Okay, very good, Chow. This is foot.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, so you have the correct answer. This is when cousin, O-U-I, cousin, and I went skating. Very good, Chow Chow. You understand this? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay. Now you read the sentences aloud. I've got
a stomach because I ate hot dust our trips at school today.
Stomach ache. Chow Chow, number 1.
Ache.
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Very good.
We worked a lot yesterday, and now both my feet hurt. When my cousin and I went skating last week, I hurt my hand. He hurt his foot, leg, and arm.
Very good. Yay. You understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, look at this one. My stomach hurts. I've got stomach ache. My stomach hurts. I've got my stomach ache. Okay. My stomach hurts. I've got stomach ache. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. In both sentences, part of your body hurts. We can use hurt, chow chow. We can use hurt with any part of the body. Okay, I will say, my stomach hurts. I've got stomach ache. My head hurts. I got headache. Okay, here. I've got headache. My ears hurts. I've got earache. Okay. Can you see that, Chow? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. My stomach hurts. I've got stomach ache. Chow chow. My head hurts. I've got headache. My ears hurts. I've got earache. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand, Chow? So we can...
Yes.
Very good, Chow chow. So we can use hurts to any part of the body. We can use hurts to the eyes, to the head, to the mouth, to the nose, to the skin, to the stomach. All parts of the body. We can use the word hurts. Do you understand, Chow?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Can you give me example like this? Go.
My bucket. I've got a box chest.
Backache, very good. Okay, go. You're right.
Hurt. No. Okay.
Okay. My back hurt. Oh, do not put letter A. No A here. No. My back hurts. I've got a backache. Yeah. Backache. Look at the spelling of backache. Here. This one. This one, this one. Very good, Chow Chow. At least you understand. Backache. One word only, one word. Okay, like that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, my back hurts. I've got a backache. Do you understand? One word only.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yay! Very good, Chow. Okay, here, next. Do you understand this, Chow?
Yes, understand.
Okay, wait for a while. I need to erase. Okay, that is hurts. Hurt, okay? Another. But we use ache with only few parts. We will use ache with only few parts, not many. Okay, we will use ache for, look at teacher, for ear, for tooth, for head, for stomach, and for back only. Only, okay? We can say ear ache, tooth ache, head ache, stomach ache, back ache. We can use that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yay! Oh, you understand now?
Yes.
If ache, only 5 parts of the body, only 5. Again, if ache, only 5 parts. Ear,
Yes.
tooth,
Tooth,
head, stomach,
stomach,
back. Okay, for ache. But if we see hurts, this one hurts, all parts of the body, all. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, all like skin, eyes, nose, mouth, all. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Very good, Chow Chow.
Yeah. Teacher, eraser.
Okay, here. Now, look at this one. Answer. Okay.
Teacher, eraser here.
Okay, yeah, here is.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Chow, you answer this one. Answer now.
This woman hurt her arm this morning.
Okay, the answer is letter C. Look at letter C is the answer. Okay? Arm. Okay.
This boy was outside in the wild yesterday. Now he's got earstone. Is
Air,
the
A.
picture B?
Okay, you write there the answer. Right here the answer.
What a fussy?
Yeah. 4, number 4, look at. 4, look at here. Look at example only. Wait for a while. Do not answer yet. 4, it's number 4, letter C. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, number 2.
One B.
Okay. Number 2, 3.
Although that woman hurt her hand, now she can't play basketball.
Oh dear, the woman hurt her hand. Okay, wait. Now she can't play basketball. Where's the hand of the woman? What's that, child?
4-1. 4-1.
4-1? Where's 4-1 there? 4 and letter, child. 4 and letter.
4A.
4A. Okay, 4A. Right, 4A. Okay, number 4.
The man doesn't look well. He's got a temperature.
Okay, the man doesn't look well. He's got a temperature. What's that? 3?
C. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you tell me the answer. Number 2. What's the answer for number 2?
2.
2? 2? What's the answer for number 2? The boy was outside in the wind because now he got earache. What's the answer? You tell me, Chow.
1B.
1B. Okay, very good. Oh dear, the woman hurt her hand. Now she can play basketball.
It 4A.
Okay, number 3. What's your answer for number 3? Oh dear, that woman hurt her hand. Now she can't play. 4A? Yeah, very good. Number 4. That man doesn't look well. He's got a temperature. 3C. Very good, Chow. Yay! Very good. Come on. Okay, faster. Okay, yay! Very good, Chow. Good. Okay, now here, let's move this one. Okay, that one. Okay, number 5. What's your answer? Number 5.
This boy needs to see a dentist. Her was very bad tooth.
Okay, this boy needs to see a dentist. He's got very bad toothache.
Hers? What's that?
Okay, what's the answer for number 5?
It's a 1A.
1 day, 1A.
1A.
1A. Yeah, very good. Number 6. What's the answer for number 6?
Hers?
This man carried a lot of big boxes from the car. Now his back hurts.
Ano? Tăng po. What is? Oh. Phobia.
Okay, what's the answer? Number 6? This man...
Phobia.
2B? This
Phobia.
man... Okay, let's see. Yeah, 3B. It's here, it's here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's here. Oh, can you see that? Oh, yeah, it's here, Chow. Look at the back. At the back. Okay, next. Number 7.
Give this class what to places it calls.
Give that girl a glass of water, please. She's got a cough. Okay, can you see that?
I finished.
Okay, what's the answer? Give that girl a glass of water, please. She's got a cough. Oh, like that? Or are you sure with letter A
Two.
or 2B? 2A. This one. Not B. Chow. What is the correct? 2A or 2B? What do you think? 2? What is the... okay. What's the answer now? 2? 2B? Okay, very good. Number 8, what's your answer? That man always eats too quickly. Now he's got stomach ache. 3? Oh, very good. You understand now, Chow? You understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, look at this one now. Listen carefully. Listen and check the box, okay? Listen and check the box, okay? Listen.
19C. What's the matter? Listen and tick the box. 1. What's the matter with Ben?
You don't look well, Ben.
I know.
Have you got toothache again?
No, it isn't that.
What then? Have you got a headache?
No, it's my ear. I've got earache today.
Let's phone the doctor.
2. What was the matter with Kim today?
Kim didn't come to school today.
Why not? Was she tired?
No,
Did she have a cold then?
no, she has a cough.
3. What's the matter with Dad?
Dad, what's the matter? Have you got stomach ache?
No, not today.
Does your back hurt?
No, but I've got a temperature, I think.
Oh dear.
4. Why did Mum go to hospital?
My mum had to go to hospital this morning.
Oh dear. Why? Did she hurt her leg?
No, it wasn't her leg or her arm.
What did she do?
She hurt her hand.
I see.
Okay.
Okay, done or I repeat one? I need to repeat one? One more?
Okay.
It's okay now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What's the matter with Ben? Yeah, very good. Ben has a, watch out. Ben has
Your ear chest.
earache. Again.
Ear it.
Okay. What's the matter with Kim today? Kim has a cough.
Has a cut.
Okay, again. What's the matter with Ben? Ben has air.
Temperature.
No. Number 1 first. Again. What's the matter with Ben? Ben has ear.
Ben has ear tone.
Earache. Earache. Again.
Ear.
Okay. Kim has
cut.
cough. Okay. What's the matter with Dad? The answer is Dad has fever. Fever. Okay. Why did Mom go to the hospital?
Temperature.
Yeah, he has a temperature because he has fever. Okay. Why did Mom go to the hospital?
Is
His hand
hand
hurts.
hurt.
Her hand hurts.
Her hand hurt.
Her hand hurts. Again, what's the matter?
Her hand hurt.
Hurts. Okay, very
Her
good.
hand hurt.
The mom hands. Okay, look at the hand of mom. It hurts. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, do you understand this, child?
Yes, I understand.
Earache, cough, the hand hurts, and a fever. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, look at this one, child. Okay. I will erase. Okay. Read and choose the best answer. Okay. You encircle like this. Hello, Tom. Hello, Tom. How are you today? The answer, letter A. Fine. Thanks. Okay, you answer now.
Question. Why weren't you school yesterday?
What's the answer? A, B, or C?
C.
Letter?
C.
Okay, letter C. Number 2, you answer.
What was the matter?
What was the matter?
A.
Okay. Number 3, you answer. We'll check the answer after. The nurse was really nice.
It's really nice.
The nurse was really nice. Was she? Here you are. Where is it?
B.
Okay. So are you all right?
C.
Number 5.
B.
Okay, let's see your answer. Number 1. Why weren't you at school yesterday? Now, answer for number 1 is, very good. I went to the hospital. Very good. What's the matter? I hurt my foot. Okay, that's the answer number 2, Chow. The nurse was really nice. Was she? Okay. Number 4. So are you all right? Yes, don't worry. Okay. Number 5. What are you doing now? Waiting for my dad. Oh, you got
Yes.
1, 2 correct. 2 correct. Oh, we will review this next week with what will be our next class? Tuesday. We will review this. We will go back with this. Teacher will explain about this. Okay?
Tuesday,
Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay, Wednesday, we will study. We will learn it again. Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you understand, Chow?
I don't answer. I don't answer.
You answer now.
I don't.
Oh, you're done already? We don't have time, Chow. We will answer it Wednesday, okay?
I know answer.
Okay, we will answer it Wednesday, okay? You are done answering. You're finished answering. We will answer again, Wednesday, okay? Okay.
See?
Oh, Wednesday, we will, okay. On Wednesday, we will see each other, right? We have class Wednesday, okay?
What's the arrow?
Wednesday. Today,
What's the arrow?
no. On Wednesday, we will learn again, okay? We will answer. Oh,
Learn
that one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, for now, teacher will say goodbye. Teacher has a class. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye, Sam. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, see you on Wednesday. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Bye, Chow.
Yeah.